Dear friends, we shall start dipoles theories today, and some problems will do it. Applications and all. What is what is the definition of electric dipole? Definition, right? First, all of you may be knowing it. For new students, I am writing this one definition. What is electric dipole? It's a pair of equal and opposite charges. Separated by a small distance is called a electric dipole. So here a pair of equal and opposite charges, very important point is it should be point charges. So what is it? First point is it should be point charges. It should be point charges. Okay. It should be point charges. Point charges. Now let us draw. Let's see how we'll draw. Let us draw a dipole system like this. So here it is minus q. Is a point here. We'll make it mark two charges there. One charge here. The other charge here. That will be minus q plus q. 2 point charges. The separation is 2a or 2l. Direction, I'll put a direction here, I'll explain direction later. The line connecting, suppose AB, the line connecting is a very minute subject. The line connecting two charges defines the direction. Two charges define a direction space. Direction in space. Therefore, by convention, direction of dipole moment, direction from A is direction from minus q to plus q is taken as direction of dipole. Okay, direction of dipole. Now, why it is so? It could be that the charge, positive charges cannot move basically inside the nucleus. Negative charge only can move. Negative charge tend to move towards positive charge. That could be the reason for taking direction like this. Now, so next specialty is dipole moment. Before that one, we will see first point. Total charge is 0. Total charge is 0. That doesn't mean that electric field is not there. There's electric field due to dipole. That's why we are interested in it. There's an electric field due to dipole. That is why we are interested in it. There is, but there is electric field due to dipole. Why? Because center of positive charge and negative charge are separated. Center of positive charge and negative charge does not coincide. Does not coincide. Please note, however, far away from the separation, that is, separation between two charges are much greater than distance of, that is, distance of point is much greater than separation between two dipole. See, we call separation between, see, suppose R is much greater than 2A. When R is much greater than 2A, what happens? Dipole field, when R is much greater than 2A, dipole field falls off sharply and tend to be zero, approaches zero, if electric field approaches zero. So far away from that dipole, electric field becomes zero. That we can see by deriving the equation. So now we'll see next point. Next is what is dipole moment. Before that, I'll tell you what is point dipole. Point dipole. What is point dipole? Anyone knows it? Point dipole is dipole due to atoms and molecules. Dipole due to atoms or molecule. Because some atoms separation is some atom separation is very small. Separation will be there. So, for example, water molecule H2O is a dipole. It has got dipole. So we what to write? Plus here, minus here. It's separated. Water molecules of H2, HOH. So this separation is very small. Separation is very small. But that is 2A tends to 0. Separation is very small. And Q is, suppose Q is very large. Then Q is very large. Q is very large compared to separation. Q is very large. Then, and Q is very large, then dipole moment is, I didn't define dipole moment. P is definite. P is definite. They are called ideal dipoles or point dipoles, definite. So examples are associated individual atom dipoles, associated dipoles associated with individual atoms or molecule. Individual atoms or molecules called point dipole. Now we shall define a second term, dipole moment. Okay, we shall define dipole moment. So what is dipole moment? Dipole moment. We'll see what is dipole moment. Denoted by P vector. P is a vector. How it is If you draw a line like this, let me draw a correct line. Charge, tiny charges here. Okay. It moves from, tend to move from, this is negative, okay, minus q. Minus q. This is plus q. It tends to move from here to a. Dipole moment is, it measures dipole moment, it measures strength of dipole. It measures strength of dipole. Strength of dipole. Strength of dipole. It's a vector quantity. Second, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. See, you know, positive charge is inside the atom, negative charge is outside only, point charges. It can't move very properly. Q tends to move, P tends to like this move towards P. Therefore, it's a moment is created. They rotate. If you see water molecule, they always rotate to microscope. So dipole moment is defined as P is equal to Q into 2A. 2A is a vector. Therefore, it tends to move from Q to P. This is a quantity 2Q A vector is called dipole moment. Okay. This is a constant of matter, dipole, quadrupole kind of things are the constant of matter it is. Now, this unit is Coulomb meter. Unit is CM, Coulomb meter. We saw the dipole kind of thing. Now, what is the examples of dipoles? Dipole examples are exist in nature. Dipoles, polar molecule you might have studied perhaps. Dipoles are H2O, SCl. The word center of nitrogen positive doesn't coincide. Center of positive nitrogen doesn't coincide. They are bent molecule. That will learn chemistry. CH3, COH. All are example of dipoles. They exist dipoles. Okay. Now we will see what is the electric field due to dipole. Next video, next part. Electric field due to dipole. Electric field due to dipole is called dipole field. Okay. Now we know electric field due to a Coulomb charge. We know as it is E is due to EFE is equal to KQ by R square due to point charge. Due to point charge. Now we see that is E is equal to proportional to 1 by R. Now we will see for a point charge. For point. But for dipole, we'll prove it. Dipole. E is equal proportional to 1 by R cube. What does it show that when R increases, R increases. Electric field decreases very fast, but electric field falls off. E falls off very fast. E falls off very fast. What does it mean? When R is very large, electric field becomes zero. When R tends to infinity, when R tends to infinity, R is very large. Compared to this also tended to zero, but this becomes faster zero. R is very large, very large. Electric field become zero faster than point charge. Not this point. Come for entrance exams and all, point charge. So when R is very large, electric field becomes zero. That's a is a property of dipole. Now, that's what you call R is much greater than 2A. Okay, much greater than 2A. E becomes E comes to 0. When R is much greater than 2A. What is 2A? 2 is the distance between the point charges. So, next video we will see how to derive the relationship